through drippin', drip, drip. Came through drippin', drip, drip. Came through drippin', drip, drip. Diamonds on my wrist, they drip.
Alright, so it's your girl Ruru on YouTube and all that.
And this is the Drip with Honey.
And today we're doing the 2x spicy chicken challenge by Steph and Tosh.
Told me to do this, y'all, so I'm just regretting it already. But so we about to eat these two different ways. She's deciding to drown hers, and you know I like my chicken to stay crispy, so I'm gonna just dip mine. The goal is 10. And whoever can...
It's supposed to be like under 10 minutes.
Oh, so she gonna set a timer. Under 10 minutes, you gotta eat 10 of these shits without any water or milk.
And we're using the 2x spicy sauce.
Scared. This shit look like fucking blood. I ain't even gonna hold you. Damn, I'm gonna need to put the whole bottle in here to dip it.
Go ahead, that's what you wanted to do. It's yours. At the end, you just pour it back in your bottle.
With mad chicken crust in there. I'm gonna have to drain the chicken crust out. Yeah. I have to drain the chicken crust out. Yep. Oh, I'm not even gonna lick my fingers. Hey, come on, hurry up. Sis, that's a drizzle.
No, I'm gonna flip it over. Relax.
Nigga said, first of all, cover the whole chicken.
Relax. Relax. No, I did not. Get out of my... Thanks.
Yeah,
Nigga said no, this is really smelling like that. Like, this is really smelling like...
I don't even smell it yet. I'm gonna just go ahead and have at it. I'm ready. What's wrong? She's over here smelling the bottle. Is she gonna be the first one sneezing? Did you start the timer?
No.
Alright. Pray for me, y'all. Pray for me. Oh no. That this shit is
Shut
about
up.
to...
Go.
Alright. I wanna see you take a bite first. Damn.
Let me see. Look at, let me see. The other side, what?
Yeah, hold on.
You're missing a spot.
Mm-mm. 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 Boy, what? Mm-mm. I'm not gonna make it. I'm not gonna make it.
Wait. Oh shit.
Ooh, Jesus.
My eyes.
I'm about to cry.
This shit is wet.
I got milk already.
Ay, ay, ay.
This shit expired. Shit expired today.
Still out drinky.
Nigga service, huh? Y'all.
Oh.
Jesus. I'm about to see heaven. You know how you try to suck in cool air?
I don't know how they suck off the whole meat in like one swipe.
The lips. I know my shit's just like
Bianca, that chicken is mad dry.
Look, I'm biting it and dipping it, alright? Leave me alone. Yo.
You know I never eat chicken this clean.
Yo. Alright.
But yeah.
Listen. I think I'm only gonna be able to eat four more. If that. If even that. Says Lord, have mercy.
Oh.
What's this?
Mama, look at that. Ahora so we can do this. I was about to run like a faucet.
You said, find it better when I hold my breath.
I feel like my tongue is rotting off.
You know, y'all, it's not even funny how hot this shit is. Nah.
We only got 5 minutes.
Yeah. I'm lucky I ate 3. This bitch whole throat about to close, she about to swallow her whole throat. On my nose. Now you see why I was rocking back and forth. For sure. This shit hit the back of my throat. Yo.
Nah, B-Love is sick.
Yeah.
She eat the sauce with fun.
Listen, that's why.
I think the snowflakes on my face melted.
Like I said, shout out for B-Love for dipping this shit, cause
We can do it.
I can't do it. Like I said, I don't think my lips is there anymore. I feel like them shits flamed off my face.
They red as shit.
Yo, just like the bottle. That's how my lips just, you know, like the animes, them shits just be like, them shits vanish into thin air.
Your mouth mad red though.
Like I said, Rochelle, I'm fucking done, man. What is shit? At this moment, I knew I fucked up. No. Like I said, the milk is a bad reaction. Butter. Like I said, damn, I'm a little mad.
Yeah, you ain't reached nowhere.
I even
I just boiled half the chicken and I'm hungry.
Yo.
I put all my chicken.
True facts.
I'm fucked. If I get hungry later.
I'm going to go through this again.
He said, hell no, I'm washing that shit off.
So as y'all can see, this shit was a fail. I mean, we gotta give a shout out to Ruru because sis got 4 left. And that's the most she ever eat chicken like that.
He said, I didn't leave no meat on the bone, Davis.
Davis. Now there, my lips feel like I got a bad Botox or something.
You know what's crazy?
They feel swollen, my lips in the bottle.
The snowflakes melted off my face, bro.
Them shits turn red. Your eyes.
That wasn't so bad though. I could have finished it. That wasn't so
Why was
bad.
it so finish it?
So you are. You want to race to see who can finish?
No.
Alright, you want me to wait for you? Alright, you eat how much? You eat
Nigga
these.
said I'm about to eat the ones not spoiled
Alright,
in this shit.
eat the 3 that don't have nothing, and then you'll have 4, and I'll wait for you.
Bitch, what?
So we can finish it together.
Nigga, bitch, I'm not touching them shits no more. Nigga, bitch, I'm not touching them shits no more. I can barely talk right now, honestly. Wait. Honestly, it hurts to smile right now, y'all. She's bugging.
I wish my sister was up so I could tell her to come try this.
Nigga said, tell Bigger come back in the camera. Where Chris at? I said Bigger and Chris.
Oh, yeah. This ain't right, y'all. Ooh, my face. What's on my nose? You stay alright? You want me to come here? Alright. I said, this is a Chris about to be my fuck now.
Chris, watch this shit with your big ass. Come behind me, Bigger. Bigger. Y'all gotta get lower. Crunch down. Get lower. Like our level. Come on, get low.
Fuck you put on you.
Get in the frame. Make sure you're in the frame. Go bend down. And bend down so I can see you.
That's a hot.
Rochelle ate like 6. I ate only like 3.
You Bigger. Yeah. Come now, Chris.
Nah, fuck that. This shit got me sweating.
Yeah.
They sound like us.
Come, Chris.
Now y'all see it's not no joke. It's not no joke, man.
Boy, Bigger. He. Yeah, Bigger. Chris, come on. You're the
I
house.
gotta take my time with this shit.
You done you. I was like, no.
He eating the dry one.
To cool it down. Your lips is gonna be finished. It's all over his lips.
And he look at his fingers. Nah, you're wild in here. Go before it start burning. Chris, one more.
One more.
You like one more?
One more. Come on,
That
baby.
shit
Ate
gon'
3.
Dip that shit
Ate
OD.
3.
Barely.
Nah, his bones is clean.
Bigger?
Yeah.
You want the next one?
Nah, you trying to kill him.
Word.
That's his third one.
3 is enough.
I did 5. 6? I did 6.
Nigga say, yeah, booty hole alone gonna burn.
Come on.
It's not to be crying on the toilet.
Not that far. Finish that. You should have grabbed the milk.
But that's his third one. You want your second one.
And you keep dropping sauce on me.
Yo, this nigga Chris
You
sweating.
keep dropping Suzu.
This nigga Chris is sweating bullets.
Wait, you wanna be wearing a hat?
No joke.
This nigga sweating bullets.
I hope y'all niggas ain't putting no hot sauce on my back.
Yo, look at him.
No,
We
'cause
gonna
I'm
have
really
some.
Sweating.
While he's sweating, whoa.
Nah.
Chris, come get low.
Y'all gotta see this nigga face.
Y'all gotta see.
Sweating.
In the dry chicken.
Damn.
I even know why I'm drinking this shit. I'm fully lactose.
Now he gonna have
He's
burning
like-
butt with.
Chris said, take your lactose ass home. Stay tuned. Keep posted on our channels. Her channel.
That's the Drip with Honey. More shit coming up. We about to go on a trip soon, and we will be recording parts of that trip. It's a given fact.